Any incident reported by worker during tour will be recorded in Event Incident List page in real time with relevant details, timestamp, and its severity status. Worker has option to select critical or in control incident. By default, current date logs will be appeared, though history records are also maintained and retrieved by date or search criteria. To facilitate managers, there is a message notification service that instantly sends a note to worker. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more help tutorials.